Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the strip type and that the item is light enough to remove without damage. Once confirmed, heat the adhesive with a hairdryer for 20-30 seconds to soften the glue. This reduces tearing. Make sure to hold the object steady with one hand. You then slide a piece of dental floss behind the top edge using a gentle sawing motion. This first step converts adhesive resistance into a controlled separation, which prevents paint or drywall damage. You continue by working the floss down the strip in a steady sawing motion, keeping it as close to the wall as possible so you shear the adhesive rather than pry the paint. Once done for a few inches, pull the floss slowly and angle it parallel to the wall to stretch the adhesive off. If you meet resistance, stop, reapply heat for 10-15 seconds, then resume. This method uses friction and heat to release the adhesive without tearing the surface or breaking the item. You finish by removing any adhesive residue using a small amount of adhesive remover or rubbing alcohol on a soft cloth. Rub gently until clean, then let the surface dry. Once done, inspect for paint lift. If paint peels, stop and press the peeled area back flat, then use lightweight filler or a small patch kit before repainting. One quick troubleshooting tip. If the strip rips and residue remains, reheat and use a plastic scraper to lift softened glue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.